Hi.
Hi friends, I want to introduce some new items to my families. So there's our biggest model, so 100 inches Mini QLED. That model is with Samsung solution with the Tizen OS 2.0. And this model
You can also launch with the Google TV.
Yeah, even Google, WebOS, Tizen, and Vida, both of them can display it, and with the original apps.
This is a high quality mini LED.
Yeah. Actually, it's a premium model for our side because this is the maximum size we are doing right now. And with this family design, we can do a range of 32, 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 80, 85, and 100 inches.
What could be the price and what is MOQ for this one?
For example, for 100 inches, the MOQ is 60 pieces with loading
You fill the whole container, one container.
Yeah, normally it's one model, one container. So normally the FOB price is based on the one container quantities. So for example, for 100 inches, the FOB price is about $1,100 based on the one high-Q quantity.
Nice. And if we go around here, this is also very good quality, this one, no? 85 inch.
Okay guys, let me show you the second preview model for 85-inch Mini OLED. This model is also same family designed with a family small TV with 100 pieces. Yeah.
It's a very cool design. And it's got, you could put the customer logo there. How many pieces MOQ this one on the container?
For 85 inches, normally we can load in 96 pieces with 140 high-Q quantity. And this model is also same solution for Tizen with original Samsung games and Samsung solutions. So,
and the price could be?
For 85-inch FOB Shenzhen price is around $550 based on the one high-Q quantities, selecting 6 pieces.
And in the last few months, or is the price go up of the TV or is go down?
Nowadays the price is increased because flash memory IC's price is increasing. So the price is currently is increased right now. But after fails, we believe the price maybe we give some discount as the motherboard supplier will give some support for the market.
This is your factory?
Yeah. This is our assembly line currently. We have a total in eight assembly lines for TV, and we have 2 manufacturers in China. One is in China, the other one is in mainland west of China. And normally you can see we have automatic assembly lines in Huizhou cities, and we are assembling for TCL currently.
So you work together with TCL or CSOT, BOE? What is the panel supplier?
Normally we use the BOE and the CSOT and also TCL. And currently our major public model is based on the 50, 55, 65, 75, and 85. And the max model we can do the 100 pieces. The minimum model we can do 19 inches. Even TV and monitor we can do as well.
Nice. So this is WS series. It just means WebOS. What does it mean?
WS is another design for the cabinet. So it's a different with the N series. And the loading, you can see the different design for back cover and back base and front cabinet.
But you can do the same sizes?
Yeah. This model
up to 100 inch.
This model covers the size from 32, 43, 50, 55, and 65. The big size is 75.
Is it more expensive or similar?
Actually, it's similar as the M series. Just the design is different.
Nice. If you take a 50 inch. And I take MOQ price.
Yeah, let me explain for 50 inch. 50 inch actually is the most popular models we are doing right now. For example, 50 inch with optional design for base. That one is this one is the new design for base is a square design, and we have another design for 2 feet for standard. And the 50-inch the loading quantity is about 770 pieces with 140 high-Q quantity. FOB price about $170 right out.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Nice. So everybody in the world will get at least 50-inch 4K.
Yeah, right.
It's 4K, right?
4K, yeah. Because the 50-inch is most popular 4K models right out.
I really like 65-inch. And here we see.
Yeah, it's right out.
Tender, and there's all the different system.
Right now you can see the 4 models for 55 inches on the wall. There are 4 kinds of the solution we are doing right now. Tizen, WebOS, Vida, and Wear OS. All of them are the licensed TV we are doing because we got original authority from the licensed company. Besides
But you mentioned you also do Google TV.
Yeah, Google TV we are doing right now, but Google TV we still didn't looking for the authority from Google, but we can do as well.
All right, and there's so many other TVs. How many TVs you sell your company every year?
Normally we are doing the every TV based on the 3 million pieces every month.
3 million?
3 million yearly export.
What do you say?
3 million
per year.
3 million pieces for yearly export right now.
Wow.
We are top 5 LED TV manufacturer for China export.
And
all the licenses we got already.
Is 3 million, is that the highest you did, or you did more before and it's going a bit lower?
The year before, the last year, actually we were doing the 2 million 15 pieces, and last year we reached the 3 million, including TCL Skyworks orders together.
So many people in the factory, right?
Yeah, our improving right now is around 1,200 improved in our 2 factory currently.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.